Forgotten username recovery failed on Yodlee Fix. If you're stuck trying to recover your Yodlee username and it keeps failing, don't panic. This is a common issue, and the surprising truth is that it's usually caused by a mismatch in login details or outdated contact information, not a system error. Let's go through exactly how to fix it. Yodlee is a financial data aggregator, meaning it connects to your bank or financial apps to deliver account information. Your username recovery depends on the exact details you used when registering. Start by visiting the official Yodlee login page and selecting Forgot Username. Enter your registered email address carefully. Make sure it's the same one linked to your original account. If you've changed emails or can't remember which one you used, try your most common addresses one at a time. Didn't get a recovery email? Check your spam or junk folder. Automated messages from financial platforms are often filtered out. Also beware that recovery links expire quickly, usually within 15 minutes, so request a new one if the old one no longer works. If recovery still fails, the issue might be that your Yodlee account is managed through a partner platform, like a budgeting or investment app. In that case, you'll need to recover your username through that app, not directly from Yodlee. For example, if you use Yodlee through an app like Moneyline or Investnet, visit that app's help section and follow their username recovery process. Once you reset your credentials there, your Yodlee connection will automatically sync again. If nothing works, reach out to Yodlee support through their official website. They can confirm whether your account is active and guide you through a manual recovery. So, if your forgotten username recovery fails on Yodlee, the fix is simple. Double-check your email, confirm where your account was created, and request help from the platform that manages your access. With those steps, you'll have your account restored quickly and securely.